Take a look at this beauty. 1968 Chevrolet Nova SS Tribute car. Freshly restored, an extensive restoration done in 2020. Started out as an original Texas car. Go ahead and take a look at the chrome grille, headlights, surrounds on this one up front. 427 underneath that hood. That is paired up with a 700R4 automatic with overdrive transmission. And as you can see, cowl induction hood. We'll take a peek underneath there at the end of this video. Let you hear it run, check out the engine bay, but first, if you want to check out the still pictures of this one, so you can see the undersides, interior, take a look at that engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Also nicely equipped with power steering, AC blows cold, 4-wheel Willwood disc brakes. As you can see, riding on SS style wheels, new rubber, all done within the last couple of years. Interior also done at the time of restoration. Vinyl bucket seats, shifter on the floor, center console added. Nice job doing that too. Black vinyl roof. Wow. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Look at the chrome in the rear bumper. And paint obviously shows well on this one also. And again, if you want to see the underside, the interior, take your time looking at all the pictures of this vehicle online, probably 100 pictures or so online. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video. In the description, if you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right to our website. Take a look at the shine reflection on that. Rear quarter panel. And how straight that is. What else can I tell you about this from the previous owner? Carb was recently rebuilt. New 2.5-inch exhaust, new gas tank. Those are 17-inch wheels, FYI. Get in the interior here, we're going to see cobalt gauges, also has halogen headlights. So a nicely done 68 over here. Take a look at the door panels. Nice shape, as well as the carpeting. Seats free of rips, tears, holes, really any wear at all, obviously. And wait till you see underneath the hood of this one. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Let's check out this interior. So we have an aftermarket retro sound style radio. That is working. AC blows cold. Looks like a vintage AC system, as you can see. Compressor was also new within the last year, and the work that's been done to it all within the last year or two. Pretty much anything on the car. And look at the nice dash on this. Vent, emblem, just set up, clean looking, radio working. Cobalt gauges show 3540 since they've been installed. Listen to that rumble. Around to the back here. Definitely sounds healthy. Let's slip up to the front, check out this engine bay. I want you to see this. I'm going to pause in a second, pop that hood, and we'll check.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
So cowl induction hood that does function, but look at the finish on the paint underneath the hood even. And then take a look. Inner fenders. The gloss black. And look at that engine bay. Wow. Pretty much speaks for itself. 1968 Chevrolet Nova SS Tribute. Recently restored. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. First, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.